how to make website for free in Nepal. So I was able to create this amazing looking website for totally free without paying any money. And then in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to do the exact same thing. Okay, so look inside the video description down below. I'm having a link of this platform. Click on it and it's going to bring you right here to this platform. What you have to do is just come here to where it says sign up for free, then come and click on it. And then over here, what you have to do is to create an account. Okay, you can simply come here to where it says sign up with Google in one click, and then click on it, and then your account will be created. You can also put in your email manually by clicking on sign up with email. And then over here, all that you have to do is just come and put in your email, your first name, your last name, put in your password, and you come and click on create account. I'm simply going to pick the sign up with Google in one click and then click on it. Okay, so over here, what you have to do is to just come and then choose your Gmail account that you're going to use to create the account, okay, by selecting it. So when you are done, simply come here to where it says continue and then come and click on it. And then over here, your account will be created and then you will log in right into your dashboard, just like this one. So from the dashboard, just come here to where it says build site with AI and then come and click it. And then over here, we are going to go through this series of steps to create your website for you. Okay, what you have to do is that you have to come and then give some basic information of your website so that the AI can use it to create your website for you. The first thing is the name of the website. Come and put it right here. And then what you have to do is to also come and then select the purpose of your website by selecting any of these. If you don't get what you want, simply come and then type in what you really want, just like this, and then come and select what pops up. Okay, so one thing that you have to know is that you can also change the language as well by selecting any of these, but I'm going to leave mine at the default, just like this one, and I'm going to call the name of my website as best selling cars, just like this one. Okay, and then what this website is for, I'm going to leave it like that and then come and click on continue. Okay, what you have to do is to just come and then describe your website in few words so that the AI can use it to create it for you. You can also come and click on write using AI, and the AI is going to generate something for you. What you have to do is that you have to look through, edit it to fit you, and then make sure that it is okay for you. You can always come and then click on improve using AI, and then they will regenerate a different one for you. Go through, and then if you are okay, you can use that one. You can always come here and then select through the first one that was generated, or you can always come here and then select the final one that was generated. So if you are okay with everything, simply come and then come and click on continue. And the next thing you have to do is to then come and then to provide your contact details. That is what your customer is going to use to locate you. Okay, you can come and then put in your email address right here. Beside that one, you can also come and then put in your phone number right here as well. One important aspect is the address too. You can also come and then put in your address right here, and then you can also come and then add your social media handles to it by simply coming to click on the plus sign. Okay, and you have all of these to select, and then it is going to be added for you. I'm simply going to skip all these by simply coming here and then click on skip step. And then over here, what you have to do is to just come and then select a free stock images that is going to be used to build your website for you. Okay, you can sort through all these categories by clicking on it, and that type of images is going to be shown. You can find your selected images right here, and then all of these, the one that you have selected will come. If you want to delete anything, you can simply click on the delete and then it will be removed for you. Okay, so make sure that you don't select more than 20 images at a time. You can add them later. Okay, you can upload your own images by clicking on upload your images, and then when you come here, you can come and then drop all your images here. Make sure it goes through all of these image formats. Okay, and don't upload more than 20 per one website. You can add them later. You can also come to the search results and then search for any images to be added. So when you are okay and then you have selected the images, simply come down here to where we have the continue, come and then click on it. Okay, one thing is that you have to also come and then select the structure of your website. That is how the website is going to look like. Okay, you can go through any of this by putting the mouse on it. It is going to be shown from the top to the bottom how the website is going to look like. So I'm going to go through and then select this one. It looks nice and then it fits my business preference. So I'm simply going to click on it and then it's going to be selected. Okay. If you have a site logo and website logo, you can come here to where it says upload file here. Click on it and then you can put in your website logo. You can also change any of the fonts here and then that font is going to be used to build your website for you. You can also come here to where it says the color palette and then select any of them, and that is how your website is going to look like. Okay. If you don't like what you selected, you can always go back to other designs, click on it, and then choose a different design for your website. If you're okay, just come here and come and click on continue, and we can go ahead and then build your website. One thing that you can also do is select these features. Okay, you can come and then select any of these features: the donation, the sales funnel, the free live chat, and then it's going to be added to your website. You have the video player as well, and then the automation. Let's say you want to add a video player, just come and then check the box. If you don't want to, simply uncheck the box. I'm simply going to skip all these by simply coming here to where it says skip and then start building, and then click on it. Okay, and as you can see, this is a glimpse of what we have done. The business name, the description. When you are ready, just simply come and then click on build the website for me, and then sit back, relax, and then wait for the AI to finish building your website for you. What you have to do is to just go to your email, and then they are going to send you your login credentials just like this one. So this is your URL. Simply right click on it and then open it. Over here it is going to say that the site is temporary. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to fix it. Simply come and put in OK just like this one, and then come and click on submit. So now we have been able to create our website, and then this is how the website is looking. So professional looking. I really like the website. It's looking so professional. Okay, what you have to do is that we have to log in into our WordPress admin by simply coming to add /wp-admin to your website. You are on the hit enter. Over here, just from the email address that they sent you your login credentials, let's go and then copy it and then come and paste it right here. So the first thing is the username. Highlight it and then come and then copy the username and come back and then come and paste it to the username side. Okay, and then the password too. Let's go back to our email. So this is the password. Highlight it, right click and click on copy and then come and paste it to the password, and then come and click on log in. So we have successfully logged into our dashboard. Let's go and then visit our site by clicking on the visit site, and this is our website. We have logged in directly from our WordPress dashboard. Okay, so this is how to create a free website. One thing is that when you look here, it says that the website is going to expire. It simply means that we have to move our website to a permanent web host. So let me show you step by step how to do that one. What you have to do is to just go to your website name and then come and click on the dashboard. Okay, simply come here to where you have the plugins and then come and select add new plugin, and then over here simply come and then search for WPVV just like this one, and then when it comes just come and then select this one. Okay, and then come and click on install now. Simply sit back, relax for it to finish installing, and then come and click on the activate. Okay, so when you click on activate, it will be installed just like this one. You can find it from the settings under it. You see WP backup is here. Simply come to where you have the backup and restore, and then come and make sure that database plus file is checked, and then save backups to local is checked as well. You simply come here and then come and click on backup now. Okay, so when you click on it, it is going to back up for you. Your website is backing up. Just relax and then make it finish. So when it's finished, simply come down here to where we have the backups. Under the backups, you are going to see your backup here. Okay, so this is the backup. When you come to the download side, you can see we have the download. Simply come and click on the download. Okay, and then simply come to the file, come down, and then you are going to see the file size. In front of it, you will see the download. Simply come and then click on it, and then as you can see from the download, our website is downloading. Let's relax, wait for it to finish downloading. And when you click here, you can see that the website has downloaded, and you can simply come and click on the folder icon, and this is our downloaded website. Now that we have it, what we have to do is that we have to host it on a permanent web host. Okay, we have two ways of doing it. We have a free way of hosting your website, and then we have a paid way of hosting your website. Okay, I'm having a full video walking you through step by step how to host your website for free without paying any money on my channel. Okay, so go to the channel and then watch the video and host your builded website for free. Like the video and then see you in my next video.